On the last weekend of April, the president headed to Batangas City for his momentous and well-received LGU assistance program dubbed Bawat Bayan Makikinabang Program, in which a 200,000 peso endowment is provided to LGUs for capital outlay and for scholarships to deserving students. Today, the president headed also to Calabarzon for yet another LGU endowment in General Trias City in Cavite Province, which was met with resounding approval. As our Clazel Paradilla fills us in with more.
Student in the morning, fast food crew at night. This is how third-year college student Christian pushes himself just to reach his dreams of finishing college and eventually helping his family.
Minsan po gusto ko na pong give up, gawa nga po ng sobrang hirap ng sitwasyon ko po ngayon. Na pinagsasabay ko po yung pag-aaral ko at yung pagtatrabaho. Iniisip ko na lang po na matatapos din po lahat ng paghihirap ko pag nakapag-graduate na po.
To help students like Christian under the Bawat Bayan Makikinabang Program, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. provided 200,000 pesos to each of the 33 barangays in General Trias, Cavite. Half of the fund is allocated for college scholarships.
Sa ating mga scholar, mag-aral kayo mabuti, masipag kayo mag-aral dahil ang edukasyon, ang magandang edukasyon ay isang napakalaking kayamanan na dala-dala na ninyo. Ito ay tutulong sa inyo para tulungan ang inyong sarili, ang inyong mga pamilya, magiging pamilya, and of course also your community.
5 students from each barangay will receive 20,000 pesos each. For the student beneficiaries, this is not just financial aid. It is an assurance in achieving their dreams.
Sobrang laking tulong po. Lalo na po ngayon is magkakaroon po kami ng OJT and upcoming thesis na rin po. So malaki-laki din po budget ang kailangan kong ilabas. And sa kailangan ko pong bilhin gamit this school year po ulit na pasukan.
Maraming salamat po sa malaking tulong po na 20,000 sa aming pag-aaral po.
The remaining funds may be used by barangays to build evacuation or health centers. Today, the president also provided 10 kilos of rice to 2,000 families in General Trias, Cavite. This aims to ensure that every Filipino family has enough food. Clazel Paradilla from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.